Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we shall discuss the test pattern in short, as well as we shall discuss the coding question as well as the essay that was asked in Tech Mahindra, that is on 18 July 2021. So there will be three different sections. So the first section is aptitude, English essay, as well as tech test, that is technical test. So aptitude, there will be 75 questions for 142 minutes. English essay, so there will be one essay you need to answer in 15 minutes. And the technical questions, that is MCQ questions, so there will be 26 questions total. So under this section, so out of which one is coding question, and there will be 25 programming MCQ questions, and the duration is 65 minutes. So the total duration is 222 minutes, that is 3 hours 42 minutes, and there will be one or two questions. So then the first part is, that is aptitude, so which comprises of logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, verbal part, analytical questions, everything. So I will add all those questions in a file and then send it in a Telegram group. So we shall see the second section, so that is English essay. So English essay, so the question was effective communication skills are catalyst for the professional growth. So this was the essay question that was asked today. So effective communication skills are catalyst. So catalyst means so how the effective communication helps to increase the professional growth. So this is the question and you need to write the essay on that. So briefly write about effective communication, so how it is importance. So importance of effective communication, and then you can add the benefits of the communication and how it helps to increase the professional growth. So you can write that, and there will be only 15 minutes. So within 15 minutes, you need to conclude that essay and write some important points and make paragraph and write it in brief. So then after that, so the next thing is the technical test. So there will be 26 questions. So as discussed, so in that there will be one coding question and 25 technical MCQ questions. So one coding question. So the coding question that was asked today, it was on to return the difference between the largest and the smallest numbers from an array of positive integers. So this was the question that was asked. So write a program to return the difference between the largest and the smallest number from an array of positive integer. So the function name is find large small difference function, so which receive first parameter as the number of items in the array. So the next thing is second parameter is an array itself. You can observe, so input 1 it's a number of items and input 2 of, so it's an array. And then after that, so example is you need to find the difference between the largest and the smallest from a list of 5 numbers. So input is 5, so this is the number of items are 5. So input 1 it denotes the number of item, and input 2 it's an array which consists of the elements. So you need to print the difference between the largest and the smallest. So here you can say 14 is the largest number minus the smallest number is 7. So 14 minus 7, so output is 7. So in this way you need to write the code. So this is the C code which is written. So first thing is you need to consider a large as well as small and a result variable. Then consider a for loop. So with which is less than the number of elements, that is input 1, then increment. Then the first thing is store the first element of an array. So large is equal to small is equal to the 0th element, which points to the 0th element of array. So start from I is equal to 1, which should be less than the number of items, I plus plus. So the first thing is you need to find the large, then small, then the difference of that. So if the input of I, if it is greater than, so it compares all the elements of an array from 0, so 0th element of array, first element, second, till the last element of array, it compares. So if it is greater than the large, that is 0th element, so then it will assign to the large. Similarly, if input of I, if it is less than small, so it is assigned to the small. So next thing is result is equal to large minus small, that is large element minus the small element, and then after that you are going to return the result. So this is the code in the C language. So you can write the code in any programming language. So this is the code, and here you can see the test cases are passed. So this is the simple coding question that was asked in Tech Mahindra. So in this video we have discussed the English, so the essay question as well as coding. In the next video we shall discuss the technical MCQ questions. So all the 25 questions that was asked in Tech Mahindra. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.